students, in the last video we have learned surds and how to write surds in simplest form from chapter 2 real numbers. Today we will learn the next topic from the same chapter, and the topic is similar or like surds. Now when two surds are said to be similar, now two surds are said to be similar if they have the same order, okay, as well as their radicand parts are equal. That means surds of the type P root A and Q root A, okay. Surds of the type P root A and Q root A are called like surds. So what you have to check? You have to check whether the order is same or not. For example, here you can see the orders are 2 and the radicands are same or not. Just we have A here, okay. So let's see few examples. Like for example, root 3, 2 root 3, minus root 3, 7 root 3. So these are all like surds. We can have with another radicand also, like root 2, 5 root 2, 3 root 2 and so on. Okay, so what we have to check? Only the order and the radicands, and both should be equal. Okay, now let's see one example to understand it better. Now suppose we have two surds. So the first surd is root 80 and the second one root 45. Now when we observe them, can we say these two surds are like surds? So the two conditions. What conditions? First, the order. They are equal. We have to check. Then the radicand. Are they equal? This both should be same or equal. Okay. So here you can see that the orders are same. Orders are 2. But what about the radicand? Here the radicand is 80 and here it is 45. Okay. Now to check them, we can write the surds in its simplest form. And we have learned this in the last video. So let's first write the given surds in simplest form. So root 80 is equal to, so we have to write the prime factors of 80. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into 5, right? So these are the prime factors of 80. Now as this is square root, we can make pairs here, and from each pair we can take down or out one number. So from the first pair 1 2 has come out, and from the second pair second 2 has come out, okay. And inside the radical sign we'll have 5. Now 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 root 5. Now 4 root 5 is the simplest form of surd 80, root 80. Okay. Now let's write root 45 into its simplest form. So what are the prime factors of 45? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now we have a pair here, a pair of 3. So from this pair 1 3 will come out of radical sign and we'll have root 5. Now check these two surds. These two surds are written in simplest form. So which two things we have to check? We have to check its order as well as its radicand. Now here the order is 2. Here also it is 2. Here the radicand is 5. You can check here. And here also the radicand is 5. So both the conditions are satisfied. So then we can say that 3 root 4, we can say 3 root 5 and 4 root 5 are like surds. Or we can say root 80 and root 45 are like surds. Okay. So this is very easy. Now let's see how can we compare two surds, whether the given two surds are equal, or the first one is greater than second one, or the second one is greater than first one. So here we are learning comparison of surds. Okay, now here I have taken one example. 6 root 2, that's the first surd. 5 root 5 is the second surd. So let's compare them. Now by just seeing them, we cannot say which one is greater or they are equal. Okay, so what we have to do? We can do this in two ways. We'll see both the methods one by one. So first of all, 6 root 2, 5 root 5. Now here you can change both the surds into its pure form. Okay. Now for writing in pure form, you have to take this 6 inside the radical sign. Now here the order of this surd is 2. So while taking the 6 inside the radical sign or the square root sign, we have to take the second power of 6. Second power, that is square. Okay, so let's do it. Now 6 second power, that is 6 square, multiply by 2. So this one is done. Similarly, we will do for the second surd. So here also the order is 2. So we will take the second power of 5 when we will take this number inside the radical sign. So 5 square multiply by 5. Okay. Then let's find out their values. 6 square is 36 multiply by 2. Okay. First one done. Then 5 square is 25 multiply by 5. Now here let's find out the product. 36 twos is 72. So the first surd is equal to root 72 and the second surd is 25 fives is 125. Now we can check this. Now this is root 72, root 125. So which one is greater? Root of 125 is greater. So we can write here that root 72 is less than root 125. Okay. So that means we can say therefore, what is root 72? Root 72 is 6 root 2. Therefore, 6 root 2 is less than. What is root of 125? That is 5 root 5. So we can write here 5 root 5. So therefore, 6 root 2 is less than 5 root 5. Okay. Let's see the second method. So I have again taken the same surds. Now here you have to simply square on both the sides. Okay. So here let's do it. 6 root 2 square. So we have squared on left hand side. Similarly, we'll square the second surd. So that is 5 root 5 squared. Okay. Now let's square them. Now here 6 square. So how to, you can open this bracket. The meaning of this bracket is that it is 6 square multiplied by root 2 square. Okay. So 6 square you can write as 6 square multiplied by root 2 square. Okay. Similarly, you can write the second surd, that is 5 square multiplied by root 5 square. Okay. So let's find its value. This is 36. 6 square is 36 multiplied by root 2 square. We know square root and square cancel each other. So here root and square will cancel and we'll get only 2. Fine. Similarly, we can do here, that is 5 square is 25 multiplied by root 5 square. As I said, we can cancel the square root and square signs like this. Okay. So it's only 5. Now 36 twos is 72 and here 25 fives is 125. Now we know which one is greater. 125 is greater than 72. So therefore we can say, what was 72 equals to? 6 root 2. So therefore 6 root 2 is less than 5 root 5. Okay. So these are the two methods by which you can compare two surds. Okay. Hope you have understood both the topics, that is similar surds and comparison of surds. Thank you.